Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some special effects makeup because I promised I would start doing it more. I have some videos up on special effects if you want to check that out. It's going to be down in the description down below. So yeah, if you don't know who I am and it's your first time at my channel, you know, and you're chilling, you're watching, you're like, who this girl, you know, what's up? My name is Eva. Welcome to my channel where I do everything basically. If you wanna, you can subscribe down below, turn my notifications on, like whatever you know, all that jazz for YouTube. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna get started with the video because we don't like long intros. Without you, I fade out. Without strength, without love, I lose sense, I lose sight. So today's video for special effects is going to be really easy. It's in the title. We're going to be doing bruising, and bruising is actually the most easiest thing to do for me anyways. I'm going to be using this color wheel. It's 4 colors. You can get this at Sunaura. If you want to get it, I'll link down this Sunaura page down below where you can purchase this item. By the way, this is not sponsored. And then I'm going to be using a sponge also, but sometimes I use my fingers too because it's like easier. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom the camera into my hand because I'll be doing a bruise like here somewhere, and I'll show you how the dealio goes. So I'm gonna be doing my bruise just here around my arm. You can do this bruise method anywhere you want it, on your body, whatever, face, legs, whatever you say, you can do it. We're gonna be doing a bruise that's already kind of like being bruised and it's already set. So it's gonna be like the purple, blue, yellow toned kind of thing. So let's do that. So we're gonna start with purple first, and we're just gonna dip in some purple on the sponge, and then we're gonna just apply it to the arm area. Sometimes the sponge just makes it way too much, as you can see, so I kind of just use my finger afterwards. Honestly, if you do not have the sponge, you can totally do this with your arm. It's no problem, it's not gonna do anything. And plus with the finger, when you're blending this out, it actually makes it more realistic. So we got the base of it. So this could literally just leave it at that, but it doesn't look too realistic. So then I'm gonna dip my finger into blue, literally. That's way too much, but it's all Gucci. We're just gonna dab some bits like that with the blue. We're not gonna go too intense, because we do need this to look more realistic. After dabbing all the blue and all, I'm just gonna spread it out with my fingers and dab it like so. I'm gonna go back into the purple and just put more around the area where I put the blue. Also, do get a tissue for you, so it's better if you make mistakes, or you know, you're using your finger and you just want to clean off the colors because you don't want to really mix it too much. So we're gonna go in with this darker browny tan color, and I'll put some on my finger. Then we're gonna dab it along this line of the purple when we applied first, like so, and then we're gonna use a different finger to blend it out. This just kind of gives a look of like it's been there for a minute kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna go in with the more yellow tone, brown tan colorish. It's kind of green, and we're gonna apply this just to some areas like the top, the bottom, and blend that out. This just kind of gives the effect of like, oh, it's been there, it's definitely a bruise. So I'm gonna take some more purple and just apply it to the bits where the purple is, just to kind of have that look of more intense. Make the look more intense. How about, can you English? So this is like a basic bruise, like you can create any day, anywhere. So yeah, you could go way more intense with the purple and just go like huge with the purple, and then put the blue too and kind of mix all the colors like so, like I did. That's the bruise. It didn't go way too intense, just keep it like low. So this bruise is like someone could have just like squished your hand really hard and it just had bruise, or it could be anything, you know, someone
I don't know, someone doing some crazy stuff to your hand. That's the finished look. Anyway guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. And yeah, if you have not already subscribed, like, you should totally subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Skadoo-doo.